Pamela Nauta, your Metro Denver real estate agent, and I am here in Parker at the Crescendo collection at Stepping Stone, and we are going to check out Plan 2201 by Shea Homes. This is Plan 2201 by Shea Homes, and it's a 3-story single-family house that is alley-load with a 3-bay tandem garage. And there are 2 exterior elevation options, traditional and contemporary, and with this specific model, you not only have 1, but 2 covered patios. One is out front off of the living room, and the other is off of the dining room that is big enough to have friends over and enjoy a nice dinner on the patio. You also have a little front yard space, and the builder actually installs the landscaping, so you just have to maintain it. And this specific floor plan is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and has a little over 2,100 square feet. And there is currently a wait list, and Shea Homes is releasing more homes each month. So if you are interested in this builder and this floor plan, reach out now and let's start the conversation of building your new home at Crescendo at Stepping Stone. And if you have any questions, have a development or floor plan that you're interested in seeing, feel free to contact me and like, subscribe, and comment. Enjoy the tour.